Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we're highlighting Andrea Hannemann's apple pie shake from her plant-based cookbook, Plant Over Processed. Andy began her plant-based journey after struggling with health issues that started in her teens. She tried a plant-based diet for 30 days and noticed how much better she felt. Her goal was to eat more plants than processed foods, and this is where her mantra, Plant Over Processed, was born. Andy's cookbook focuses on healthy plant-based versions of common comfort foods, as well as recipes for smoothie bowls, salads, and desserts. If you want to check out more of her stuff, head to her website, earthyandy.com. Peel your apple prior to rough chopping it. We wanted to try the smoothie with the skin on, but recommend making this with a peeled apple. Place all the ingredients in a blender. Blend beginning on a medium speed and gradually making your way up to high until the consistency is smooth and creamy. Pour the shake into 2 glasses. Grate fresh nutmeg on top. We decided to make a homemade caramel with a dairy-free creamer we found at our local grocery store to up the flavor. Garnish with an apple slice and enjoy your healthy, plant-based apple pie shake. The list of ingredients for this recipe and a link to her cookbook is in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!